Well, hello and welcome. I'm joined today by Mounir Ladki, who is co-founder, president and CTO at MYCOM OSI, which provides cloud-native assurance, automation and analytics solution. His company has sponsored our prestigious CTO of the Year awards for the last 5 years, and I'm delighted to have some time with him to talk about some hot topics. Mounir, operators are looking for new revenue streams from other industry verticals and to rely less on B2C revenues. How does that affect your portfolio and what it needs to do to support this monetization?
Hi, Annie. Well, operators are today looking to monetize the heavy investments they are going to make and have started making in 5G infrastructure in particular. And there is no secret that today most of the the communication service providers, are aiming to transform or to evolve into becoming digital service providers, can offer a range of services to consumers, but most importantly to enterprise, to monetize these services. A little bit like the OTT, it's another opportunity here for them to catch on what they missed with the OTT type applications. And the services we're talking about here are intelligent connectivity services powered by 5G to either connect enterprises, but most importantly, industrial processes in smart factories as part of 4.0, connecting smart city infrastructure, connecting hospitals and remote patients and remote surgery, and so on and so forth, right? To these various sectors. And the key for monetizing these services is to guarantee their SLAs. And today there are enterprises and there are customers who are ready to pay more to get this premium connectivity and to get some premium services wrapped around it. And so our service quality management offering allows operators to maintain a real visibility, to model these complex services across the various connectivity technologies, to model them, and then to monitor the SLAs, have real-time visibility of these services, understand the impact on each of their key enterprise customers, and in case there is anything that is going wrong with these SLAs, they have the means to spot exactly the underlying root cause and fix it. So this is an automation in a hyper-powerful and intelligent solution that is aimed, that empowers or enables the telcos to really assure these services and then monetize the SLAs. And then beyond offering this capability to our customers, what we are doing also, we are pushing the boundaries from just managing the connectivity services or network services to managing some more sophisticated services that combine the telco asset, such as the broadband, the fiber or the 5G or the 4G, together with, for example, the industry or the connected factory service, right? Or a smart city service, and then orchestrate this all together. So what we will enable the telco to assure is not only a pure connectivity, but also a more sophisticated digital service that runs across this, so that telcos can then offer this as a managed service to a company like automotive company cars, or factory industrial companies for running their factories and so on. And the last point is enabling also automated operations, because to maintain these SLAs, you need to automate the network operations. When you spot an error, that you need to fix it and you need to restore the SLA and so on. And this is, again, in our portfolio, we have a lot of network automation capabilities that are completely seamlessly integrated with the service quality management and powered by AI and machine learning capabilities to enable not only automated, but most importantly, autonomic operations that can predict what is going to happen and then react to it. And this is I would say the value proposition that we as MYCOM OSI offer to our customers, to help them also deliver on the promise of 5G and deliver all these digital services and monetize them.
And following on from that, do you think these changes will be permanent, that operations will be different, that digital transformation is going to accelerate?
Yes, for one key reason. I think that we're moving into a real-time world. A lot of these new fancy services that I refer to, the ones, you know, servicing third-party industries and smart cities and healthcare and so on, will be real-time in nature. And that's not compatible with the latency of the human kind of work, right? So you need such sophisticated systems, such automation to be able to maintain the quality of these services, operate the network in an autonomous fashion, and react quasi instantaneously to events, if not predicting and anticipating them.
Okay, so network cloudification is well underway alongside 5G rollouts. Do you see a limit to how much telecoms can migrate to the cloud?
Yes. Today, again, this is a very hot topic for obvious reasons. You know, the hyperscalers, I think, have penetrated the telco market, and the operators today see that they need the scalability, the flexibility, and the agility that the cloud offers. And that's why you see today not only the IT systems are migrating to the cloud, but even entire cloud, like core network, is moving there. However, again, in this new world in which we're stepping the ones of a world of digital services to enterprise and third-party industry verticals, is a one where the edge will play an essential role. So yes, there will be a migration to the core of the cloud, but there will be also a lot of operations happening at the edge of the cloud. That's why the winning, I would say, strategy here and combination is a hybrid cloud strategy. And this is the one that we've adopted, where our service assurance suite operates fully from the cloud. And we have a strategic partnership, for example, with AWS, and we offer our solution from the AWS cloud. But also, our solution is fully containerized and can run at the edge. And for specific services, you will need some very short latency, so that running on a edge cloud environment will be more suitable. And it will be a combination of the two, where our industry is headed, rather than one way or the other.
How far do you feel we're along that cloudification journey, Mounir?
Sorry, how?
How far do you feel along the cloudification journey telecoms is?
Well, initially we saw a lot of interest, right? And then we saw it a little bit. I think the industry went in a soul-searching type mode to figure out also what the pioneers have done. But I think they saw that there were some very strong success cases, right? And we are ones, by the way, who pioneered this migration in our own space, that the service assurance. And now I see like a mass adoption coming in. We see massive right now responsiveness from our customers to migrate to cloud and SaaS models. This is where they see the benefits, simplification, elasticity, scalability, flexibility, and most importantly, the agility to innovate. Because this is what, at the end, the promise of the cloud, above all for me, it's the agility and the ability to innovate. This is where the telcos want to play a role. This is where they want to go. So that's why I see that this trend is now a very firm one. And I think we are well underway in this journey.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Annie.